To do a goblet squat, pick up a dumbbell or kettlebell and hold it in between your hands directly in front of your chest. Place your feet shoulder width apart with your toes slightly turned out. Pull your shoulders back and tighten your abs. Now you're ready to squat. Start the movement by pushing your hips back and bending your knees to get into a squat position. Come right back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. Keep your back straight, don't let it round at the bottom. Inhale on the way down, exhale coming back up to the starting position. Squatting all the way down until your butt is parallel with your knees is totally fine. You can go lower than that, but only if your mobility allows you to do it without rounding your lower back at the bottom. There are a couple of things to pay attention to. 1. Don't let your heels come off the ground. This will put too much stress on your knees. Make sure they stay on the floor the whole time. 2. Don't let your knees collapse inward. They should always go in line with your toes. And 3. You might have heard that your knees cannot come in front of your toes while squatting. That's a common myth. The truth is that your knees can come in front of your toes as long as your heels stay on the ground. Let's see the whole sequence once again.